for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for doll, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hat, I for ice cream, J for jam, K for kite, L for lamb, M for monkey, N for nest, O for owl, P for pen, Q for queen, R for rain, S for sun, T for train, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for x-ray, Y for yo-yo, Z for